Have you ever wondered why the price of Bitcoin seems to behave so differently than gold, despite both being considered safe haven assets? This question is at the heart of the current debate among investors, especially at a time when gold is reaching new highs, while Bitcoin seems to be struggling. In this video, we will explore the reasons behind this disconnect and discuss why you might want to consider Bitcoin as a buying opportunity now. Hello everyone and welcome to our channel dedicated to the world of cryptocurrencies. Here you will find market updates, project reviews and advice to help you make informed decisions in the world of cryptocurrencies. I invite you to follow me on the channel to always be updated. Over the past few months, we have seen an interesting pattern. Gold has reached new highs, while Bitcoin has lagged behind, with a series of lower highs and lower lows. But why? First of all, we must consider the unwinding of various carry trades and the difficulties of economic growth. Additionally, the correlation between Bitcoin and the Nasdaq is at a 2-year high, suggesting that Bitcoin's behavior is closely tied to traditional stock markets, rather than the price of gold. This might seem surprising, given that Bitcoin is often thought of as digital gold. Another significant factor is the massive selling of Bitcoin by large sellers. The German government has sold $2 billion worth of Bitcoin, and the US government is also selling off coins tied to the Silk Road affair. Additionally, there have been 2 major bankruptcies, namely Mt. Gox and Genesis, where creditors were paid in Bitcoin. These sell-offs have put significant pressure on the price, contributing to the recent decline. However, there is another aspect to consider: Bitcoin's seasonal cycle. Historically, Bitcoin tends to struggle 1 to 3 months after large sell-offs, and usually before elections. With the US election looming, we may be in a phase where Bitcoin is about to make a bounce. This is especially relevant considering that whichever candidate wins, we are likely in for another 4 years of reckless fiscal policy, which could fuel Bitcoin's rise as a safe haven asset. Speaking of the election, cryptocurrencies are a hot topic in both Kamala Harris and Donald Trump's campaigns. Kamala Harris has expressed moderate interest in cryptocurrencies, advocating for policies that promote innovation in the sector. On the other hand, Trump seems to be diving headfirst into the world of cryptocurrency, with his sons promoting a new project called the Defiant Ones, which aims to revolutionize the financial sector using DeFi, decentralized finance, technology. But what does all this mean for Bitcoin investors? In fact, it might be a good time to consider not just Bitcoin, but other related assets, such as Bitcoin miners. Companies like Marathon and Riot Platforms have underperformed the price of Bitcoin itself this year. However, there is one factor that many are not yet aware of: Bitcoin miners are about to play a crucial role in fueling artificial intelligence, AI. The GPUs, graphics processing units, used for AI require a significant amount of energy, and Bitcoin mining infrastructure is perfectly positioned to meet this demand. With a few tweaks to their facilities, Bitcoin miners could start powering AI, creating a new revenue stream and lowering their capital costs. This could lead to a significant increase in the value of their shares, making them an attractive option for investors seeking exposure to both Bitcoin and AI. We also cannot ignore the impact of the recently approved Bitcoin and Ethereum ETFs. These financial instruments are attracting significant flows of institutional capital into the cryptocurrency market, which was previously dominated by small retail investors. The opening up of these traditional financial flows could represent a fundamental shift for the industry, increasing demand for Bitcoin and Ethereum and pushing prices to new highs. With all that going on, the question remains: should you buy Bitcoin now? If you believe in the future of cryptocurrencies and their ability to become a pillar of the global economy, now might be the right time to invest. With that said, thanks for following us this far. Don't waste your next crypto flight. Thanks for being with us. If you want to stay updated on the latest news in the crypto world and not waste a crypto adventure, hit that follow button and activate the bell. Ready to go? Then see you in the next video.